You guys, I don't think you're prepared to see how cute this is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. I would love it if you did. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Today we have another haul because some retail stores where I live in Florida, are starting to reopen. TJ Maxx and Marshall's in my area are open and I'm very excited about it, so I have a haul for you. TJ Maxx is one of the stores that I was honestly most excited for to reopen. I love going there. Like it is my happy place. I love TJ Maxx. But no, we are going to start on TJ Maxx. The first thing they have to show you is this dress that I'm wearing. Let me kind of stand up and show you what it looks like. It is this t-shirt dress, and I know that this is not the best way to show you clothes because you can't see my face. I don't know. I'll figure something out in the future, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, it looks like this. I really like it. And it's almost like a tie-dyed material. I don't know if you can tell, maybe a little bit if I get a little bit closer. It looks like denim, but it's kind of a thicker t-shirt material. And I think it's really, really cute. I really, really like this dress. Also, I think everything I got from TJ Maxx was on clearance. Also, once again, some things my mom got for me, some things I got for me, just to throw that out there as well. But yeah, TJ Maxx clearance, it was great. The next thing that I got was this shirt. And remember in my last haul, well, I don't know if you saw it or not, but it'll be linked, you should check that out. In my last haul, I showed these shorts from Maurice's and I was on the fence. I didn't know if I was gonna keep them or not. I did end up keeping them because I think these shorts paired with this shirt is a really cute outfit. I don't know, I've already worn it as an outfit. And also, I don't know, just to point out, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's like buttons in the front and they're faux buttons. I think that this is a really cute pattern, and it's not like I don't own anything like this. So I really like this shirt as well. That's the next thing that I got from TJ Maxx. The next thing that I got was this green dress. I promise I will try to maybe possibly find a better way of showing you what clothes look like on, but this is the green dress. I think it's super cute. Once again, I love like the casualness of it. I really like this dress, and I'm also really glad that I got this as well from TJ Maxx, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like on. And then I did get a shirt that I'm going to return. I don't know, I wasn't a huge fan of that, and then I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I did also get these slides. I've been wanting slides for forever, not forever, but I've been wanting slides for a while. So once again, surprise, surprise, those were on clearance as well. I think that they're around $12, something like that, something very affordable. And that is all that I got from TJ Maxx. Now to Marshall's. I got some very exciting things from there. First up, I got Michael Kors jeans for $24. I've already worn these too. I've already, washed and worn these as well. They are so soft, like they don't feel like denim. They almost feel like jeggings, but I think that these are still classified as skinny jeans, I think. Anyway, regardless, wow, what a great find. Yeah, they were on clearance for $24. I think they're super cute. They're really dark wash and I love them. I think that they look flattering on. I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these jeans. The only thing is they aren't high-waisted. I do like high-waisted items, but obviously, like all of your pants don't have to be high-waisted, you know what I'm saying? So I would have loved it even more. I feel like if they were high-waisted, these are just mid-rise, I believe. But yeah, super cute, super comfortable. I'm a big, big fan of these jeans. Next up, I got this lotion. Now, calm down. Well, no, you're probably already calm. But if you're thinking, like, whoa, I thought that you loved the Body Shop Shea body butter. Yes, I do. But that is not inexpensive. And this, I think, was only like $6. Wait, it was only $4.99. And I do like the smell of it as well. I've already used it. I don't know if you can tell, kind of. I like it. It is very moisturizing. It's specifically the Irresistibly Smooth Body Cream Deep Moisture Serum from Nivea, and I especially love that it was only $4.99 for 13.5 ounces. I'm a big fan of that. I don't know if you would classify that as beauty, but I also got one other beauty item. But before I share that, I just want to say, like, the beauty skincare items at Marshall's, TJ Maxx too, but I feel like I did look at that, but not as much. Anyway, at Marshall's, wow, big fan. I did see they had the Dr. Jart peptidin, the Dr. Jart serum that I've mentioned in one of my favorites, and I'm almost out of the little sample, and I did really like that, and I do think that it helped my skin, but I didn't get it. It was around $20, but I didn't get it because I do have a morning serum now, and I do have a nighttime serum. I didn't want to go totally crazy, but I did contemplate getting that serum. And I just remember there's also other things that I did look at as well. I went shopping with my friend Sarah whenever I went to Marshall's. I definitely spent some time looking at all of the different things and beauty and makeup. They also had this beautiful like little mini palette from NARS. NARS packaging alone, like, can we just talk about that? Big fan. But I didn't get it because, I don't know, like I think it was around $20, which once again is still a good deal. But I didn't want to, you know, spend too much at Marshall's, but their beauty and skincare section, I was a big fan of. The other beauty item that I did get was this mud mask because this was $3. This was $3, just $3. This is from Alba Botanica. This is the Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. It says it's new up here. I haven't tried this yet, but I am excited to try it. This is, it says for anti-pollution volcanic clay, and it's hypoallergenic. I'm expecting great things from this, and I am excited to try this out, and I feel like this will last for a decent amount of time. It's 4 ounces, and it's not like I'm gonna be using this every night. I might not even use this once a week because I do have other masks that I'm also loving, but I was definitely excited to get that for only $3. You guys, I don't think you're prepared to see how cute this is. And you might be thinking, why are you showing a gift bag? Because it's, wait, oh, that's the glare. Okay, now you can kind of see it. I mean, adorable, right? This was only 70 cents on clearance. And I just have friends with babies, friends that are expecting babies. This will go to use, and I thought it was too cute. I couldn't pass it up, honestly. Now, I was real excited for those jeans, and I'm really excited for all of the things, but I feel like that was one of the most exciting things that I got, just because that bag is so cute, I think. I think it's adorable. The next thing that I'm excited for, Sarah, as I mentioned, I went shopping with her whenever I went to Marshall. Sarah found this. This was $5.99. I like using these notebooks for, obviously, you know, taking notes. And I like that it's spiral bound. It's rose gold. This is beautiful. It's marble. It says notes in rose gold. It's 192 pages. This will last me a long time. I've already mentioned that it's spiral bound, but I'm a big fan that it's spiral bound, and I was needing another notebook coming up because I've almost used up one that I'm currently using. So I was also very excited to get that as well. If you liked this haul, make sure you click right here to check out my most recent haul video as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and I will see you in my next video.